Hello everyone, I hope you've been doing well. For anyone who's new, my name is Olivia, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you a really fun wrap done with a royal blue tough 2-in-1 and this beautiful new Striped Delights color. Now for this wrap I am wearing the Bobo Shaper. This is just the big Bobo Shaper, and I have the arms wrapped around, just crisscrossed across the top. You can tie them in the back if that's your preference, and then tuck away the tails. But I'm going to begin this wrap by putting on the tough 2-in-1, even Stevenish, just like so. I'm going to tie a knot in the back. This just keeps the scarf in place a little bit better for me. All right. Now folding into thirds. It doesn't matter which side you start with. I just chose the left side. Bringing this up, over, and twist just a little bit. Okay, I'm trying to keep all of these fringes together, and then there's a pocket in the back with the knot, and I'm just tucking in those tails into that knot. Give a little pull on the right hand tail. Again, just folding it into thirds. It's like it's a regalish style wrap. Okay, I'm gonna take these, I'm gonna find that pocket and stuff them in. Try to hide away as many of those fringes as you can. Just make it easier a little bit later. I have to run back and try to hide those. Okay, now I'm going to take that. All right, I'm going to take the Striped Delight scarf that I've folded into thirds, and I'm going to place it on my head. Okay, now I'm going to try to get the tails. This one here, I want it to be shorter than this one. So when I bring it around, I'm going to try to keep it as flat as possible. I'm going to bring it up a little bit more. We can adjust while we are doing this. Okay. That's a bit better. Okay. Now I'm going to bring the shorter tail up in the back, the longer tail up in the front. Make sure I keep that nice and flat. And about here, I'm going to tie a partial knot like so. I'm not going to pull it all the way through because I want a loop-de-loop right there. Okay, and the size of your loop-de-loop is up to you. I'm going to go with a medium one and see how this is. Okay, adjust this back a little bit. All right, give this a good pull just to make sure it's taut, not tight. Taking the tail, the shorter tail, and bringing it around. This was the tail that started out on this side, the left side. Bringing it around, and then I'm going to find the pocket in the back, wherever it may be, and I'm going to tuck it in. Okay, just give it a good tuck. Get all those fringes away, like so. Okay, now before I deal with this tail, I want to make sure that I have enough pulled out for my loop, because I'm going to make a rosette, not a rodette. I'm going to make a rosette. So, finding inside all of the extra of the tails, all the extra inside of the scarf to make a rosette. I do want to get it all out. That way I have a full piece. Okay, let's see. Sometimes it is a little bit difficult. Just take it easy, take it slow. All right, and just about have it. Okay, and this is, and again, why we didn't tuck in that long tail yet. Okay, just to make sure I can get all of that opened up. All right. Now I'm going to take this tail, open it up flat, trying to keep it neat. I'm going to open it up a little bit here, bring it up to the top of the, bring it up to the top of this one. I only want a little bit of overhang. Bring it in the back and tuck away. Okay. Try to keep it neat in the back. That way it's just more, just flatter and not lumpy. Okay. Now, I'm going to try to get this to stay without having a pin in it. There we go. Okay. If you can't get it to stay closed like this, just grab a little straight pin and quickly from behind, take it in the back. Okay. And then today's brooch I have, and I'm going to run it into the center. So you almost have a cockade in the front. Super cute, super fun. And that's it. This is one of the wraps you have to be a little patient with and give yourself some grace. It looks super simple, but just getting it to be the way you want, it is going to take a little bit of time and patience. All right. All right. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.